you run an aggressive business in terms of always being in the right sectors at the right time with the right risk profile. I mean, I look at your business and I think sort of 2021 should and feel quite an exciting time to be alive, doesn't it?
I think 2021 is really unpredictable, Rob. So, you know, the outcome of 2021 for many businesses will be closely correlated with what happens to the health crisis. So if we find a vaccination for COVID-19 in the next 6 months, I think 2021 will be a, you know, overwhelmingly positive year, and there will be a bounce for many businesses in the specialist sector. So talking about 2021, I think is a little short-sighted. I wouldn't think of it in a 12-month time horizon. How I would think of it is in a more 3 to 5 year time horizon. And quite honestly, I'm quite bullish about the prospects, not only just for our business, but also for the specialist finance sector. So I think that, you know, we're going to see the specialist finance sector grow as a consequence to what's happened over the last 6 to 9 months. I think that there will be some opportunities in the marketplace for those well-capitalized, well-positioned businesses. And therefore, I think, you know, I'm optimistic, but I'm not optimistic in a 12-month time horizon. I think of it a bit more long-term than that. And then I think, you know, ultimately the businesses who are best positioned, who have managed themselves well over the last 24 months, haven't, you know, been too aggressive with their lending and risk functions, they will be well positioned to take advantage of this.
So are you saying you would expect there to be some natural consolidation of some of your peer group?
Yeah, I mean, I think that as this all shakes out, there will be some consolidation in the marketplace. There will also be failures in the marketplace too, as Buster alluded to. You know, particularly in the intermediary marketplace, brokers don't have the benefit of reoccurring annuity income, and therefore, you know, I sympathise with them more than lenders at this moment in time, because it will be more difficult for them to trade their way through the next 6 to 12 months. But many of the businesses are just much better run than when they were, you know, going into the financial crisis. So I think they've got more balance sheet to fall back on. I think a lot of the principals have learned their lessons from the past, and therefore they've cut their cloth accordingly quicker this time round. And, you know, as a firm and as a group, we want to support intermediaries in particular to navigate their way through this crisis and come out the other side, because that will help our business grow too.